Good morning, friends. My name is Parthiv Parekh. I am a physics teacher in LP Savani Group of School. Today, our discussion topic is electric dipole in uniform electric field. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, electric dipole in uniform electric field. So, we put a dipole in electric field. Okay, so first of all, we draw electric field parallel. This is the electric field line. Okay, that is electric field. Okay, now we put a dipole, say A, B. Now we place charge minus Q at point A and plus Q charge at point B. Okay, so the distance between these two charges is suppose 2A. Okay, and the angle between electric field and the dipole is theta. Okay, now because of electric field, the force exerts on minus Q charge and the force exerts on plus Q charge because of electric field. So we can define F plus Q is equal to QE. Okay, and here is force opposite to the F plus Q minus QE. Okay, now we already know that what is the magnitude of the dipole moment, that is P is equal to Q cross 2A. Okay. Now force exerts on charge Q due to the electric field is force exerts on charge plus Q due to the electric field is F plus Q is equal to Q into factor E. Then force exerts on charge minus Q due to the electric field is F minus Q is equal to minus QEE. Okay, so the total force acting on the dipole is total force acting on the dipole is F total. It is F plus Q, F minus Q. Okay, from the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So here we get QE plus minus QE, QE minus QE is equal to 0. So the total resulting force acting on the dipole or result is 0. Okay, so here we conclude that the net translating force on a dipole in uniform field is 0. Okay, so dipole is uniform, but equal and opposite forces and opposite forces act at different points. See the different points, the force acting on different points of the dipole, then they form a couple. then form a couple which exerts a torque. Okay, now we talk about torque. We already studied earlier in 11th standard. Okay, so the from definition of the torque we can write the formula of the torque. So torque is equal to force multiply by perpendicular distance between plus q and minus q charges. Okay, so the perpendicular distance here, how can we define? So here we can draw perpendicular to the electric field C. Okay, now we give the name of this point, then we get perpendicular distance between minus q charge and plus q charge. So how can we derive? So here theta is given. Okay, so here is theta, here also theta. Okay, so here sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite side is BC divided by hypotenuse is 2a. So here we can get BC 2a sin theta. Okay, so force multiply by here, what we get? Perpendicular distance between these two charges. So here we can write perpendicular between two charges. Okay, so here we can get force is QE because of electric field, and perpendicular distance between two charges is given BC. Okay, so here we can write the formula of the torque is force multiplied by perpendicular distance between two charges or two forces. Okay, so it is force is given QE because of electric field, and perpendicular distance here we already given. Okay, or already we can find it from the figure, that is the perpendicular distance BC between two charges. Okay, so the perpendicular distance between two charges is BC, and we can find out BC from the angle sin theta, so that is 2a sin theta. So finally we get the equation torque. So the symbol of torque is tau. Okay, see, so we can write here Q E cross 2a sin theta. Now we can write combine Q cross 2a E sin theta. Okay, so here one can see that Q cross 2a, from this equation we can get dipole moment. So we can write Q cross 2a is P. So P E sin theta. So that is the magnitude of the torque. Okay, magnitude of the torque. Now here we also can write in vector form, torque in vector form, it is P cross E. So we can find out the magnitude of the torque, but we don't know the direction. So how can we find the direction? So from the figure one can see that the torque is acting this dipole because of electric field is, we can draw, that is electric dipole minus q plus q charges. Okay, so that is the direction of electric dipole in this way. Okay, and we can define electric field. Okay, that is the electric field direction. Okay, and the angle between dipole, for electric dipole and electric field is suppose theta. Okay, so the torque is acting using right hand screw law. It is perpendicular to the P into a P cross E. Okay, so electric field is this direction and electric dipole is this direction. Okay, see my finger, it is right hand screw law, so we can multiply P cross E. Okay, so we can get direction inward, see inward or inward to the board. Okay, see this, so that we can get the direction of the torque. Okay, now here another thing is that we can here take two cases from this equation. Okay, so we can write again magnitude of the torque is equal to PE sin theta. Now in case 1 we can take theta is equal to 0 degree, means the electric dipole is parallel. Electric dipole is parallel to the electric field. Okay, so the angle between electric dipole and electric field is theta. See, it is not making any angle between electric dipole and electric field. Okay, so angle between these two is theta. Theta is equal to 0. So here we can put this value in this equation. So we get PE sin 0 degree. We already noted what is the degree of sin. We already noted what is sin 0. That is 0. So we can get here 0. Okay. Now in second case, we take theta is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so in theta is equal to 90 degree, our dipole moment is, or dipole perpendicular to the electric field. Okay, so the angle between electric dipole and electric field is 90 degree. So here we take theta equals to 90 degree. Then we get or put the value of theta in this equation. So what we get? P into E sin 90, or we already know that what is sin 90 is equal to 1. So here the dipole or the torque is maximum and here is torque minimum. So from these two cases we can conclude that the dipole parallel to the electric field, it exerts a torque minimum, and the dipole perpendicular to the electric field, it exerts a force which is very maximum. Okay, now write down all these stuffs.